Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now let's scroll in order to find the backup and reset option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the network settings reset, so simply tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so simply tap on reset settings. If you've got the pattern or pin, then enter it to confirm. Your device is asking you again because you cannot undo this action, so be aware about that, and simply tap on reset settings if you are ready. As you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.